Hey everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to earn crypto passive income by staking Tezos. I'm going to show you how to stake Tezos cryptocurrency in a few taps using a phone or a few clicks if you're on a computer. There's no need for any special equipment. If you want to learn more about Tezos, watch our video What is Tezos linked above. This Exodus tutorial will only focus on staking Tezos. Let's get started. All you need to do to earn more Tezos XTZ is to stake your current XTZ holdings. It couldn't be easier. The more Tezos you hold, the more Tezos you earn. First, you'll need an Exodus wallet to hold your Tezos cryptocurrency. If you'd like to stake Tezos from your phone, download Exodus in the Apple iOS App Store or Google Play Store. If you want Tezos staking on your laptop or desktop computer, you can download Exodus directly from exodus.io. Click the link above for a shortcut to download Exodus for your phone or laptop and desktop computer. Then, simply send Tezos to your Exodus Tezos wallet. Here we see some Tezos in the Exodus mobile phone app. The first step is to tap the icon in the top right corner. This opens the Tezos staking screen. Tap Start Earning Tezos, and that's it. Your Tezos staking rewards will be automatically sent to your wallet after the waiting period. And as your wallet receives more Tezos, those funds will be automatically staked so you can earn even more. With Exodus, you can still send, receive, and exchange Tezos while staking. Your funds are not locked. However, if you want to unstake Tezos for whatever reason, just tap the unstake button and your Tezos will be immediately unstaked. Let's move over to the Exodus desktop application. We have some Tezos already in the wallet, so just click the three dots in the top right corner to open the asset menu. Click Earn Rewards to open the staking window, and click Start Earning Tezos. And that's it! It's really easy to stake Tezos and start earning staking rewards on your phone and computer. If this video helped, give it a like and let us know in the comments if you are a fan of Tezos and why. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more crypto videos from Exodus.